In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an UGC ad for TikTok ads with AI.
Hi, I want to show you my favorite perfume, Chanel No. 5. Honestly, I wear it every day. I love how it smells. If you're looking for an elegant fragrance that never fails, this is the one.
So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to click in the image section. Now we are going to paste the following prompt. That is a very simple prompt that is going to be in the comment section, where I describe the model that we are going to use in the video, and then we have to click in reference. Now I'm going to upload the image of my product, that is a perfume, and now we are going to go to settings. Here we have to change the model to GPT Image 2, the quality we are going to change it to medium, this because it's much cheaper than the high quality, and personally I think that it looks really similar. So now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have 3 images, and personally I liked this one, so I'm going to download it, and now we have to go to the video section. Here we're going to use the Seedance 2 model, and now we have to click here. We have to upload the image that we downloaded, and now I'm going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as well. This is a prompt that you can modify as you want. So now in duration, I'm going to use 12 seconds. And finally, we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. And before seeing it, as you can see, she's wearing a black strapless top. This is because I said to the AI that the girl have to wear it. But if you don't want that the girl is wearing another thing, simply you don't have to say anything in the prompt. So after saying that, now let's see the video.
Hi, I want to show you my favorite perfume, Chanel No. 5. Honestly, I wear it every day. I love how it smells. If you're looking for an elegant fragrance that never fails, this is the one.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. It looks realistic, it looks professional, and the lipstick is really good. So now, if you want to try and do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try NovoAds for just $1. And if you try it and then you don't like it, you just can cancel anytime. So, well, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.